Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bread using yeast step by step. Preheat your mindset and workspace, then gather ingredients and tools before you begin. Measure flour, water, yeast, salt, and sugar precisely, and set a timer. Use a clean bowl and a damp towel. Having everything ready makes kneading and rising simple, and it helps you stay calm and enjoy the process. Combine your measured ingredients in a large bowl and stir until a shaggy dough forms, then turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. Knead for about 8 to 12 minutes until the dough feels smooth and elastic. If it stretches to a translucent window pane without tearing, it's ready. Place the dough in an oiled bowl, cover it, and get ready for the first rise, which builds flavor and structure. After kneading, let the dough rise in a warm, draft-free spot until doubled in size, which usually takes about 1 to 2 hours. Gently deflate the dough and shape it into a loaf or rolls, paying attention to surface tension. Allow a second, shorter proof until the dough is puffy but not overproofed. Score the top to control expansion and preheat your oven so it's ready when the dough is.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.